Hi there. Welcome, everybody. This is Kim, working from home, the new paradigm for right now. So funny. I so resisted all of this technology for so long, and now I am actually very grateful for it because maybe we can't be physically together, but thank goodness for the technology. We can still connect soul to soul, heart to heart, connect energetically. I am creating a series of videos to bring as quickly as possible to as many people as possible some techniques and tools that you can use to boost your immune system, keep it resilient, as well as techniques and tools to remain calm, to instill calm, relaxation, being able to breathe, knowing that everything is okay, moment to moment, and just being in the moment, right here, right now. So the first technique that I'd like to teach today is very simple. It's a relaxation breath. If you're sitting, please make sure that your feet are on the ground, your legs are uncrossed. You could be lying down and just listening to this. In fact, it's a great technique that you can do before bed. And what we're going to do is just simply bring our fingertips and thumb tips together. Now this is actually called Hakini Mudra. A mudra is a gesture or an attitude. In this case, we're sealing in our energy body, our aura, into a complete circuit. Just being in this position for many people is very calming and very soothing and grounding. So I'd like to invite you to join me in taking a really slow, conscious, deep breath in through your nose and let it go. Let's do that together again. Breathe in. Let it go. And again, one more time. Inhale. Pause. Let that breath circulate. Exhale. Let the breath just flow out effortlessly. So you're sitting up in dignity, sitting up straight, but no tension in the body if you're sitting. Lying down, as I said, is fine as well. Feel the thumb tips and the fingertips together. Just know that energetically this is a beautiful circuit. It's calming, it's balancing, it's centering. It helps you feel grounded, which is really important right now. So we're going to couple with this the relaxation breath. I'd like you to breathe in and place a count on that breath. So you're just noticing the count and length of your breath in. Notice that natural pause, and then count your exhalation. Try to make your exhalation longer than the count of the breath in. The most important thing is you're not striving or straining. There's no goal here. So especially if you're type A, as I certainly still am, and definitely was prior to my career and what I do now, let go of all those goals, let go of striving. It's not a contest. You're just noticing your breath, being mindful of your breath. Noticing the count of the breath in. Feel free to close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. There's really nothing to see. You're focusing on your own breath. It's nice to close our eyes and pull away a little bit from all the external distraction, all the external stimuli. Sends a message to the thinking mind that you're transitioning it to a listening mind. Simply making the exhale longer than your breath in. Mindfully, slowly breathing. Breathing in peace, serenity, calm. Exhaling all the burdens of fatigue and tension and worry. Breathing in clarity, breathing in peace. All is well. Exhaling all of the weight, all of the heaviness of fear, the unknown, uncertainty. So the next time that you exhale, you can gently reopen your eyes. On a spiritual level, this breath is really beautiful because it teaches us to give back more than what we take in. So thank you for joining me. I really hope that you will utilize this, that it will help you bring back that peace, bring back the remembrance of your true nature. I'm here to support you in any way that I can. My journey actually started from panic attacks and anxiety attacks way back when I was 20. And I have been studying all kinds of things since then. And I am happy to help you, happy to be here for you. Please connect with me. My website is www.relaxedliving.org. RELAXED living.org. Many blessings.